friend Niels and I went on a 7-day, 5,000-kilometer run down to Loveland, Colorado to participate in the EWMA International Ride-In. We enjoyed great riding weather all along the way until we got onto I-25 south of Casper, Wyoming. Wide open terrain, rolling hills, uh, beautiful scenery. We encountered some cloudy weather and what looked like a small thunderstorm just south of the little town of Chugwater, 20 miles north of Cheyenne. We kept our eye on the storm. The highway seemed to turn away from the black mass of clouds. It looked like it might just form a tornado. It was pretty scary. We kept our eye on it, pushed on. Just when we thought we had passed by it, we hit some severe crosswinds and it started raining. I thought we may have caught the edge of the storm, and we just kept riding. The winds suddenly picked up and the light rain became a heavy downpour. My bike was getting blown sideways. Tumbleweeds were blowing across the highway. I could barely see. I radioed Niels asking if we should pull over. He figured it was too dangerous to stop as visibility was poor and others might not see us. So we slowed down, put on our four-way flashers, and tried to stay upright in the right lane. The rough grooved pavement was probably a blessing, helping to keep our traction and not get blown sideways. After a very scary 2 to 3 minutes of 60-mile-per-hour crosswinds, blinding rain, it was over. The storm had crossed right over top of us so fast we had no time to react. Lesson learned, you can't trust the weather along the Rocky Mountain foothills mid-afternoon.